guys, welcome to Carl's Rainbow channel. This is another video that I just made like in years already. It's 2020. Yay! So I'm quarantined at home because of coronavirus. So stay safe and be hygienic. Yeah. So today I'm gonna show you all my paper squishies. I know if you don't know paper squishies, you can just watch other videos about paper squishies and you'll know about it. That easy. So the first one is this one. It's a rainbow ice cream. So cute. This is my biggest one. It's a frappuccino. Squishy. And this one is so weird. I don't know why I made it, but it's bread. And here is my first made. It's this pizza thingy, my favorite. Here is another weird one. It's an egg with a face. Here is a little milk tea. So little. I like it. This one is the bigger version and this one is the smaller version. These are different sizes. Here is like my chocolate bar. It's kinda not fluffy. That's my least favorite. These two are not the fluffiest. They're small but not fluffy. I made a mistake on this. And this is a watermelon, my favorite. This is a snow cone, a rainbow snow cone. I like rainbow. Joke, I don't. This is like a Skittles. I am such a bad drawer, so yeah. Do not expose me. So this is like a bear ice cream. I like it. I like ice cream. And here's a banana that I hate. I like. Here is a crunch. It's a chocolate bar. Crunchy. Here is Kit Kat, another chocolate bar. This one is a pancake. This is a popcorn. I'm sorry that it took a long time. This is like a walrus. No, it's narwhal ice cream. I made it a unicorn, but it's not. It didn't turn out like a unicorn. So, yeah. So here's like my 3D one. My classmate gave it to me. It's like a chocolate milk, I think. It's 3D. This is like weird bread. It's kind of weird anyways. Oh, here's my avocado, peach. Sorry. It doesn't look like a peach, but I don't care. Here is like a broken popsicle. I like it. And I have one last paper squishy to show you. This is my most favorite one. Out of all my squishies, this is my favorite. So big. And it's 3D. I like it. So cute. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you will be notified when a new video comes out. See you guys next time. Bye!